The EP21 base adjuster is the primary platform for the elePHOOT system pedestal assembly. It's the largest platform available. It measures 9 inches in diameter, very smooth finish, so it's not going to impact any waterproofing surface. It's also the narrowest mechanical screw adjusting platform currently available. It's 1 inch tall or 1 inch thick, but it has an internal screw which allows it to adjust out to 1.5 inches in height. This makes this the shortest or lowest mechanically adjusting pedestal assembly available. So when we take this, it will combine with multiple other parts to create a variety of height adjusting or some slope adjustment. For the shortest or shallowest height from 1 inch to 1.5 inches, we can take the multi-plate top and place it into this assembly to create that height adjustment. We can go from then 1 inch to 3.5 using the 1/2 inch height adjusting plates, and we can go from 3.5 to 30 inches using the riser connecting pedestal plate assembly. These are all going to connect to the base adjuster in the same manner. Each of these parts has a mark on the side. There's also a hole in the top of the part. This indicates the connecting point between the part and the base adjuster. You'll notice also then in the base adjuster there is a matching mark or dot or notch that receives then this connecting part. So we're simply going to align those two elements, drop it in place, rotate it counterclockwise to lock it in position. And you can see the locking mark right here. Once in place, these two parts are connected. We can now take this assembly and rotate it to its proper height. So now we can go from 1 inch to 1.5 inches for a very low height pedestal assembly with only two basic parts, adjusting up or down as necessary. We can do the same thing with the stacker plate. It intersects in the same manner with the same kind of alignment, whether it be the stacker light or the full stacker for high wind uplift applications. It stacks in the same manner, it locks in the same manner, allowing us to create that height adjustment here now from 1 inch to 3.5 inches simply by using multiple stacker plates. We can interconnect the base of the riser connect part in the same manner, locking it in, rotating to height, allowing us to create multiple height adjustments with simply the base adjuster and whatever appropriate connecting element fits our height requirement. We can also make slope adjustments with two additional parts. So we can take the EP26 leveler assembly, which is a 0 to 6 adjustment, with its own internal adjustment, and take the same alignment mechanism, drop it onto the base adjuster, lock it in position, and adjust accordingly. For simple slope adjustment, 1 degree increments, take the base wedge and simply drop that on the bottom onto the waterproofing and drop our base adjuster onto it. Now the base adjuster itself can rotate independently on top of that as we make the slope adjustment, and we can then of course intersect the appropriate part. Using the bubble level in the center, we can now adjust the slope and adjust the height as necessary as well at the same time. That concludes the EP21 base adjuster with the associated connecting parts.